Good afternoon. Let us start the class. Today, what I am going to take is pricing methods. In our syllabus, we are having both pricing methods and strategies. In this class, I will explain few methods of pricing. In the next class, we will discuss about the pricing strategies. As far as the pricing of a product is concerned, there are three factors to be considered. One is the cost factor, another one is demand factor, third one is the competition. That is why the pricing methods are broadly classified into three categories: cost-based pricing, demand-based pricing, and competition-based pricing. Apart from all the pricing methods are categorized in the anything is not coming under this preview, then it will be other type of pricing. We will see one by one. The first type of pricing we used to call it as cost plus pricing. The most simplest pricing is called cost plus pricing. In under this cost plus pricing method, there will be a fixed percentage of profit. That is why we used to call this particular pricing is markup percentage profit pricing. With the total cost, few percentage of profit will be added. Based on that, the price will be fixed. For example, there is one company XYZ. The total cost will be 150 per unit. What the firm will do, he will add rupees 50 per unit in the price, and he will fix the price 200, because that 25% is profit. That is cost plus profit is equal to price. So this is called cost plus pricing. This cost plus pricing is otherwise known as average cost pricing, but this is the most commonly used pricing. I will repeat again. The first type of pricing method we used to call it as cost plus pricing. Why? Because total cost plus profit margin will be equal to the price of the product. So this method we used to call it as cost plus pricing. This is the most simplest. Most of the firm are using this method only. The second one is called, it is similar to that of cost price, but it is also cost based. We used to call it as markup pricing. This markup pricing method refers a pricing method in which the fixed amount or a percentage of cost of product will be added to the product price in order to get the selling price. The markup pricing is more common in retailing, in which the retailers sell the product to earn the profit. For example, the same example I can give. If a retailer has taken the product from the wholesaler is 200, then he or she, that is the retailer, will add the markup of rupees 20, 10% profit he will say, and he will sell that particular product to 220 rupees. In the previous case, 150 is the cost of production, 50 rupees is the profit of the firm, and it will be sold for 200. Apart from that, there is one more pricing, markup price. Already the price is fixed, but because of the transportation cost, sales promotion cost, and place utility or farm utility, they decided to have an additional margin of profit. That pricing we used to call it as markup pricing method. The first one is cost plus pricing method. This one is markup pricing method. These two are coming under cost based pricing. Now let us move to the demand based pricing. Usually the demand pricing is referred to a pricing method in which the price of the product is finalized according to its demand. எவ்வளவு demand இருக்கோ அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி price. If the demand of the product is more, then the organization try to set high price in order to get more profit. Whereas suppose the demand is less, then he will come down and he will fix a low price and try to attract more customers. So as far as the demand is going, it is based on the law of demand. When demand is more, we have to increase the price because people are demanding more. When demand is less, we have to reduce the price, otherwise people will not buy. So in order to attract the customer, we have to lower the price level. So this type of pricing method we used to call it as demand based pricing. First one is cost based pricing, cost plus pricing, and markup pricing. The second one is demand based pricing. Now we are moving to the last type called competitive based pricing. Here the firm is not deciding its own price. based on the competitive price he will fix. The competition price refers the method in which the organization considers the price of the competitor product in order to set the price of its own. The organization may charge a higher or lower or equal price as compared to the price of the competitor depending upon their market situation or depending upon the number of competitors, depending upon the type of product. So all these things, he always watch the competitor. Based on his price only, we will fix a price. This is called competitive pricing method. Apart from these three, what are the three? Cost-based pricing, demand-based pricing, and competition-based pricing. There are many other pricing. Those pricing are called target return pricing, value-added pricing, going rate pricing, transfer pricing. For example, value-added pricing means based on that particular market features or based on the type of customer or based on the quality of the product, based on the type of product, additional amount will be charged along with the price. That is called value added pricing. Target return pricing. Suppose is a monopoly or a price leader in a oligopoly, he will fix this much amount should be achieved with this available product. So what he will say, he will fix erratic price. That is called target return price. 5 lakh should be the profit of this month, and I am having 100 product means 5 lakh divided by 100, that will be the price of the product. That is called target return pricing. The third one is going rate pricing. Already there is a price is existing, market price is existing. Those who are doing business in that market, they will accept that particular price and they will do the business, irrespective of high profit, low profit, or even loss, because it's a survival of the in the market. That is called going rate pricing. Last one, transfer pricing. This transfer pricing is nothing but in a particular place, the price of the product is say X. Suppose he is delivering that particular product in some other place. For that, he is incurring a transportation cost. Suppose he is making a bulk purchase in the same place, then we have to give a deal. So that particular thing, the additional sales promotion cost or transportation cost or other service costs will be added to the price depending upon the different type of utility. It may be farm utility, it may be place utility, or it may be time utility. Suppose you are saying immediately I need means, for that additional charge will be lethargically you can complete the work and you deliver next week mean people will charge normal. So that is why all three utility concept will be implied in that particular transfer pricing. So these are the some of the method of pricing. In the next class, we will study about the price strategies. It is a confirmed section B question. Suppose if they have explained different method of pricing, first you write three types. What are the cost-based pricing, demand-based pricing, competition-based pricing, then other methods of pricing, just written and value pricing, target pricing, going rate pricing. So totally 7 or 8 will be there. Complete the answer. It will give full mark. Okay. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.